Hey everyone, I'm Noah here for American Trucks. This is the BBK 3-inch Y pipe with catalytic converters fitting the 2011 to 14 5-liter F-150. Now if you're looking to step up your exhaust a few notches with a very large catted Y pipe and free up some sound as well as some horsepower, then this is a great option for you to check out. The biggest difference between this Y pipe and the stock one is going to be the fact that this thing goes from dual 2.5 at the motor to 3 inches in piping diameter. Now this is going to reduce exhaust turbulence and let the exhaust flow more efficiently than the restrictive factory exhaust. Now the factory Y pipe also has catalytic converters too, but these on the BBK Y pipe are high performance cats, which means they don't restrict as much air as the factory ones, and that's gonna help get you some more horsies as well. Now, probably my favorite part of this Y pipe is that it actually bolts to the factory flanges and doesn't require any welding. Now, that's not the case with a lot of other options out there, and I think it's a huge perk worth mentioning. This Y pipe is constructed from aluminized steel, so it's still going to be resistant to corrosion and keep costs down. Now everything you see here is mandrel bent, which means that when the pipe was bent into shape, nothing was pinched and none of the bends inside are ribbed from being crushed in the bender. You can see that on the insides of the bends here, that they're nice and smooth, and that's because it was mandrel bent and not crush bent. Everything here is welded nicely, and they even threw on some O2 bungs for you, and these are truly designed to be plug and play with the factory everything. The BBK catted Y pipe falls very nicely around the $700 price point. Now this is definitely a very budget-friendly option compared to a lot of other catted Y pipes out there, and due to the fact that this has catalytic converters on it, I really think that's an impressive price. Now catalytic converters are usually very expensive, so any catted Y pipe under $1,000 is a great buy in my opinion. And on to the install, you're in for about an hour job with a difficulty of 1 out of 3 wrenches. Nothing with this install should be too terribly complicated, and you won't need much mechanical expertise to get this job done, especially because we're gonna head over to the install bay and one of the guys there is gonna walk you through everything step by step. That was the BBK 3-inch Y pipe with catalytic converters fitting the 2011 to 14 5-liter F-150. For all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.